Hello there folks, this quick video is about the game overlay feature on Discord. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you're wondering, Varok, what exactly this game overlay feature does on Discord? In few words, it allows you to stay in contact while you're playing or sharing your screen on Discord. It will show incoming message, name of Discord users connected in the voice channel, and even show on your screen which Discord users are talking. To enable this feature, go to Discord, click on Settings, scroll down, click on Game Overlay. There by default is going to be off, so just click it to turn it on. On this screen you will have 4 options to customize this feature. As you see, the first one will be related with the size of the avatar. On the display names, you will have the option to always show the names, only when they're speaking, or never, and it will show just the avatar as you see. On display users, you can have it always, or only when they're talking. And lastly, we have the overlay notification, which is related with the text message, so you can select where you want to receive it, in which corner, and as well if you want to have it enabled or not. In case you are one of those users that activate the game overlay and still not working, just go to Settings, Activity Status, and look for the games there. Make sure each game that you want to use this feature, it has the overlay on. Otherwise, it will not show, because that happened to me in the past. To wrap up this video, I would like to show a few tips and a demo using the game overlay. When you enable this feature, you will have the option to set a keybind. In this example, I set Shift 1. So whenever I press Shift 1, it's going to show the overlay lock, which will allow me to move the overlay screen or even use Discord with this feature.
No one was shooting. He was reviving you. I opened the door and I walked in, and then all of a sudden, Kuchi!
I like the sound effects. And that will be with this video. I hope you find something useful, learn something new. Feel free to share it with others. Thank you for watching, and see you around.